Hi everyone, I'm Nahid, a Stanford registered dietitian and positive psychology coach. And today I want to talk to you about a very interesting subject, a power that there is in one small ball of yarn. Knitting. Knitting is not just only about making a scarf or helping your wardrobe, but is a powerful therapy that can help you being more grounded, has a meditative power and can help you to control and release the stress. So stay with me and we are going to talk about how we can use knitting as a therapy. Knitting is a kind of workout for your brain, but a calming one. When you're knitting, your hand is constantly in motion, and not only seeing the result of this motion can be very satisfactory, but during this constant movement, you can release serotonin, the neurotransmitter that can help you to release stress and is an anti-depression. The British Journal of Positive Psychology says that people that they participated to a knitting session therapy, 80% of them, not only they were less isolated and connected after the therapy, but also it helped them to be more happier. And the result was that they were much more grounded and much more active. Knitting is also called as a new age yoga. The repetitive motions that you have is very similar to meditation. And especially for those people that's like me, they are hypertension and hyperactive and cannot meditate being motionless, knitting is a kind of meditation in motion. In addition, knitting can make you less isolated. When you participate to whether online activities with friends, families, or simply you just make a simple scarf or a simple hat for a friend, it makes you more connected. In a world that we are completely isolated, knitting can be a way of social connections. Last year, I had a knitting session with some friends, and as a matter of fact, the result was not only satisfactory for them, but also for me. Some of them, they created this micro business, a craft business, and it was very successful. And I was not only happy to see them, that they created this community and a micro business, but also was very satisfactory for them. Most of people that they start knitting and see the result of knitting, they never give up. I have no idea if you like knitting or you know how to knit, but if you don't know it, don't worry, because there are countless online classes for knitting that you can use. Knitting is not only about perfection, but it's about the process, satisfactory process that you're taking. Whether it's making a small little scarf or a very complicated sweater, but the result is always the same. You can use it as a therapy. Now, some gentlemen believe that knitting is a grandma's business. But I have to tell you that knitting was also used in the Second World War by partisans for their activities. As a matter of fact, There is a story that several partisans they were arrested, and they were suspicious about having some messages that they wanted to pass to each other. They checked them, they couldn't find the message. And you know where was the message? In a hat that was knitted by hand, that was carried by one of them. And they used the language of Morse to pass this information through knitting. The interesting thing is, a friend of mine who is a writer, sometimes when gives a hat or a scarf as a gift to a friend or to loved one, always use this Morse language to write a message that it remains to discover by the person who received it. It's very interesting. Anyway, if you like knitting, just let me know. If you use it as a therapy, and if you don't, and you want that we start a knitting session together, I'll be more than happy to help you. And give write a comment in a box below um, if you have any question about knitting therapy, and or if you want us to start a knitting session together, please let me know. And until next time, happy knitting.